pouring into my son to become a masculine king ages 0 to 5. I taught him American Sign Language as a baby so he could communicate at 9 months old.
Are you ready?
I taught him how to do basic math
when
he was just a baby.
That goes first. Where's 1? That's 0. Where's 1? You stop moving too fast. Where's 1? Good job. Where's 2?
2.
Good job.
I taught him how to read by the time he was 2 years old.
Look, I want to record it. What does he say?
Is that
Uh-huh. Good job. What's this say? Good. What's this say? Uh-huh.
We tried different activities like horseback riding. He took swimming lessons. I enrolled him in Mandarin Chinese and Spanish lessons at a language immersion school. He learned how to play the piano and read music. I enrolled him in different sports like t-ball and soccer.
Swing, buddy. Go, Jackson, go! Go, Jackson! Go, Jackson!
I enrolled him in chess lessons.
Chess. Okay, so now,
How old are you, Jackson?
5.
I introduced him to STEM activities.
Would you like to play around with my track?
Look at this track.
Okay, throwing it out there.
We went exploring the museum and a lot of other fun places. And we took fun trips to Disney World. Keep growing and learning, my well-rounded little boy. I love you so much.